Hello, everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome to our YouTube group family. Today we are going to learn that how to edit jewelry pictures and retouch them. So let's get started. First of all, we try to select this subject. I am using Photoshop CC 2021. If you are using Photoshop CC 2019 or above, you will definitely know that you can select the subject with one click. You can select with the quick selection tool or lasso tool if you are using the old version. Simply go to select and then select this subject. Let's look more closely at how it was selected. So there are some issues. Let's select the object completely. I am taking the lasso tool. It is a very easy tool to make a selection. Simply click and hold and move your mouse into that direction in which you want to make a selection. As we have made a selection already, to add into selection, hold Shift key, and to deselect the selection on specific selection, hold Alt key. As this is a long process, I will add special instructions while editing this video on the screen, and at some places, I will boost the speed, so that you got witnessed what is happening and don't get bored. Guys, as I am noting you are not watching my tutorial completely. Please watch completely. So we have selected this item perfectly. Let's take the mask. Now we are going to remove the background from chain loops. I will use the magic eraser and lasso tool, as magic eraser tool can be applied only a few places. Simply make a selection with the lasso tool and press delete. Let's check completely our subject. Maybe we have missed any place. So it is looking fine to me. Let's save this for the web. Simply take a new layer. Go to File and select the new layer. Press Ctrl+N to a new layer. I am taking a size which is recommended by Amazon. However, you can take it according to your platform. Press Ctrl+T to transform. Press Ctrl+0 to fit the image on the canvas. Let's check it again in the white background. Maybe we can find any places where retouching is needed. I think there is some issue. Let's zoom in. So there is some greenish color on the locket. I am a stamp tool to remove this by taking samples from another place. Press Alt to take a sample. I think the crescent eye locket is not looking smooth. I am taking a pen tool to make a selection and remove the extras. Let's increase the brightness as this subject is looking black because of its old background. I am taking the brightness and contrast adjustment layer. Let's increase the brightness. I am decreasing the contrast because it is making darker our subject. Let's take the curves adjustment layer and increase the brightness of the shadow. Make sure that both layers should be clipping masks. I am making these layers into a group so that we can check what effect these layers put. Let's save this PSD for future use. Go to File and select Save As or press Ctrl+S to save. Now let's save this for the web. Go to the File, Export, Save for Web. or press Shift plus Ctrl plus Alt plus S short key. Let's check this into a folder. So it is looking amazing, is not it? Hopefully, you have enjoyed and learned something new. If you have not subscribed yet, please like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you for watching.